Let's calculate the derivative of e to the 3x minus e to the negative 3x. So we have a subtraction here, so that means we will do one at a time of these two expressions. We'll differentiate them. So let's get started. dy dx will be, so derivative of the first one. In the end, that, let's even have a little side calc here, e to the 3x is actually a composite function. Very small, but it is. The 3x is sitting in the position where usually we just have x, so that's a linear function. And on the outside we have an exponential function. So how do we differentiate this? Derivative of the outer function, e to the power of something, will be e to the power of that same something. It doesn't change. Multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. The inner function is 3x, so the derivative of that is just 3. So we combine this and rewrite it in a nicer way. The number at the front, 3e to the 3x. So basically we can try and do that mentally by just thinking that 3x needs to be differentiated, so 3, and the derivative of the exponential repeats itself. Now let's do the second one. So take away, let's do it on the side here as well, e to the negative 3x. So first thing, looking at that, inner function, negative 3x, linear function. Outer function, the exponential e to the negative 3x. So to differentiate this composite function, we do the derivative of the outer function, which is e to the power of something. So we just repeat, e to the power of negative 3x, multiplied by the derivative of the inner function, a linear function, negative 3x, will be differentiated as just negative 3. So tidy that up, write the constant at the front, negative 3, e to the negative 3x. So that's what we have here. Because I already had a negative at the start, I'll put brackets. Of course you could have done that, the negative or negative straight away, but I can do it now in the second line, so to make sure it's all good. So we have 3e to the 3x. This negative will become positive, 3e to the negative 3x. We cannot simplify this further. We could just maybe factorize the 3 out if we wanted, but the e to the power of 3x is not a like term with e to the negative 3x. They are different. We could write 3e to the 3x plus e to the negative 3x if we wanted, though. That's the derivative of the original function.